Namaskar, and again, all of you are welcome on this online platform of the Nishulk IAS. And in the dictionary session, the five words for the today's lecture I have selected for you are angst, A-N-G-S-T, angst, anguish, A-N-G-U-I-S-H, angular, A-N-G-U-L-A-R, animosity, A-N-I-M-O-S-I-T-Y, and annihilate, A-N-N-I-H-I-L-A-T-E, annihilate, right? So the first word is angst. That means the feeling of anxiety and worry. The feeling of anxiety, ghabrahat, and worry, chinta. Ultimately in Hindi it is known as chinta. The feeling of anxiety and worry, angst. It is not connected with the heart. Something which was in the word of angina. Now the second is anguish, the severe pain, mental suffering or unhappiness. The three terms are included over here. Severe pain also include the mental suffering and ultimately the unhappiness. क्या है? परिवेदना, दुख, वेदना अथवा यंत्रणा. Severe pain, mental suffering or the unhappiness, anguish. I am very anguish with that person because it is hurting me. I am unhappy. I am unhappy with that condition, situation, subject and the object. Don't make a noise. Severe pain, mental suffering or the unhappiness. Angular. Angular means Yashvardhan, keep quiet and sit silently. Angular, having an angle or the corner. कोणीय अथवा कोनेदार. An object or the subject which is having a corner and the sharp line and a particular angle, that is known as angular. कोणीय अथवा कोनेदार. Now the fifth word is animosity. Animosity, what? Feeling of opposition and anger and hatred. I may oppose a person because what I am thinking, according to that the act he is about to do or he has done or she or is about to do or has done is not correct, but I am not having the feeling of opposition, so it will be known as, then it will be not animosity. Simultaneously I am having the feeling of the opposition, anger and hatred. That means I am opposing your thought and I am opposing your thought in anger and hatred. What rubbish you have done, then it will be known as animosity. Right? So the opposition, anger and the hatred. Katuta, shatruta, vaimanasya in Hindi. Fifth word is annihilate. Annihilate means to destroy somebody, something completely. Not even a single piece of the existence is left over there, or not even a single chance of the existence in respect of a living creature is left over there. Sampurna vinash, complete destruction. Annihilate, to destroy somebody, something completely. So these were the five words for the 30th of August 2022. For the 31st of August, that is the last day of the August, we are again meeting tomorrow. Till then, thank you, goodbye. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and keep learning. सीखते रहें.